Hey everyone, happy first day of spring. I don't know about you guys, but here on the East Coast, there's a place called Rita's. I've never been. I know, I've never been, but apparently they give away free shaved ice, and it's all various times. And then I heard a rumbling about Dairy Queen is also doing something. We're constantly doing our giveaways and freebies, so we thought it would be really cute to do a little jelly bean guess. Okay, easy for me to say. So let's talk jelly beans. I love jelly beans. Like when Lisa brought all of these in, it was a bittersweet moment. I was upset, but I was also super happy. And I've eaten enough, not of the ones in here, but of the other ones, to give myself quite a stomach ache. But besides that, like, what's your favorite candy? Well, I'll tell you how to do that in a minute. Okay, so here's what we thought would be super fun. We filled this beautiful pitcher up. Have you never seen this picture before? Stay tuned, I'll tell you all about it. So we filled this picture up, and we want you to guess and comment below in this thread how many jelly beans you think are in this picture. There will be one winner, and whoever guesses the closest, if not right on it, we are going to send you this picture. So it might be a little deceiving. I want to show you specifically. Oh, there's a little reservoir inside, you know, so that you can put your fruit or your herbs in here, whatever you want to do to give that water flavor something special. So don't forget there's jelly beans inside here, and there's jelly beans inside here. So have fun with this. Comment below. Let us know how many jelly beans you think are in here, and we are going to announce the winner this Sunday live on Facebook at 7 a.m. Eastern time-ish. We have a 1-hour show on QVC at 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. When we're done with the 7 a.m., I'm going to jump on. We'll chat about the show. We'll chat all things Temptations. And I will announce the lucky winner of the Jelly Bean contest and who we're going to send this amazing picture out to. So, and you'll see more of this picture on something very special in May, on a very special day in May. You'll see this. Okay, have fun, guys, and guess how many jelly beans, and I'll talk to you on Sunday. Bye.